say hi to everyone, and once again, thank you for everyone that have subscribed. I hope everyone's doing well. Happy 2018. Question is, where have I been? Why haven't I been around? Okay. So basically, the reason I haven't been vlogging is because I've got tied up with my engineering project or conversion project that I've been doing, converting cars to natural gas. So that's where I've been. But however, let's forget the past, let's move on. Once again, everybody, thank you for watching. Happy 2018. I'm back, and I'm back to vlog. One more thing I gotta share with you guys. I have not been releasing my own videos. I give all the credit to Kovalchuk Films. Guys, you did an awesome job. Fantastic work. However, I did start out this year doing my own vlogs, so you guys are gonna probably see me every other day, every 2 days that I'll be vlogging while I'm coming up with other content. And once again, I want to build up, or actually I want to build up a relationship that is watching my channel. Thank you for watching MK Tech channel. Please follow me, subscribe. Let's build up more content. I'm gonna catch up everything that's been happening with my E30 project, the Mustang project, and I got a new project that I'm going to reveal later on in this video. So, however, once again, comment below, give me advice, what you guys want to see more. I will be releasing conversion projects also, or F-150. I give you a glimpse in the previous video, or one of the videos, how to convert. I have about 2 hours worth video that I will be editing into episodes of converting a truck, so that's going to be fun to watch. Once again, comment, write, like, subscribe, and also share. Okay, let's go.
Grace, peace, and many blessings.
Alright, God bless. Вие гроші? Долари які?
I see bad news on my TV. It's hard to get up on hurting knees. Find me a tissue, I gotta have allergies, but I don't care. I'ma walk by faith. Hold on to my joy. I'ma seek God's face.
Oh yeah,
The devil ain't got enough
no we don't.
for me to back down.
Oh no, I won't.
Hey, say hello to my viewers on YouTube. Hey.
Grace, peace, and many blessings to you. You know, I should look at the camera and not at the screen, because I look up at the screen. I do the same thing. You know,
same thing.
but grace, peace, and many blessings. Remember, what's it called? If life is long, why spend it being miserable? And if life is short, why waste it being miserable?
Amen, amen. Glory to you, brother.
God bless.
God bless, brother. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.
Complete all put together.
Oh yeah.
So actually pretty nice.
Excellent. So guys, let's go do a walk around of the Z where it's at right now. And right now everything's taken off. It's getting ready to get painted. So let's go ahead and do this. Bam. Here we go. So you got the 20s, the rims are going to be different because obviously these rims are a little damaged and there's not much we can do about it. Well, we can, but it's going to cost to get it repaired. There we go. Look at this bad boy. So in a few weeks it'll be ready to go. Let's look inside. And there's some things there. Let's go look at the driver's side. Bam! This is a touring model, right?
It's like loaded.
It's loaded completely. Look at this bad boy. Look at the seats. Airbags out. Man, that thing is sweet.
Sport brakes, huge calipers. And,
Check it out. Look at that.
doors.
Look at the brakes.
Yeah, that's right. One day.
All right, well, this is a glimpse, and that's it. That's all I'm gonna say.